The sun clocked out on me. I still got smoke in my teeth. Ran through the glare all day. Now I can barely breathe. Count what I kept, what sleep. Count what I cut, what blade. No time for a frozen screen when the whole room wants your head. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. Body talking big till the numbers come down. I kept my hands on the wheel even when it shook hard. Eyes on the line in the sand. Heart in the blacked out yard. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. No victory lap, no clean win, just a pulse in my chest. Just the work, just the wreckage, just the weight I address. If the bell says it's over, then I stand with the truth. I don't need a new story, I just need proof. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the stars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left.
Count it up. 1, 2. This a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing wind while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just roll my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. It's for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. It's for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Chest, one move, then the next. No drift, no maybe, no stall. I want the whole damn wall. Every inch wants more. Every win opens a door. If the wheel keeps turning clean, you can feel it in your skin. Don't bet the doubt. Don't feed the brake. When it locks in place, that's the shape of fate. Leading hard, let it pull you through. One true signal and I'm all in tow. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. In the tape room, same rule. Read the candles, read the fools. If the setup feels alive, I don't blink, I don't swipe. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright starts never grow. But when the edge feels true, I go harder than I knew. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small stuff stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I could lose the tired and tame. Burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. One good yes can change the room. One true move can split the gloom. Momentum's king, and I know what to do.
Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow.
Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a debt.
Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small.
Still in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall. Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop. Hey! from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 chop. Cut the doubt off, watch it drop. Bank on chop, yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long, when the red line says to stop. Go long, till the last breath, last. Chop, chop, chop. Rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in, weight on my shoulders, turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking, only sharpens up the rock. Go long, from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long, when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 step by step I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shut at the top, long at the base. But from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts. Hey! Go long, from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the chains off, let them drop. Bank on chop, I'm the storm you can't outrun. Go long, when the red light says to stop. Go long, till the heartbeat says I'm done. Chop, 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 crowd in my chest, it shouts. Bank on chop, bank on chop, bank on chop, 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 chop. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on her hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one. I don't chase the vibe, but the vibe chase me. I don't run from fear, man, the fear run free. I've been in the lab experimenting with some things. Find out you can never trade gold for a fling. And I know you can never sell time for a thing. That's why you can never catch me working 9 to 5. We just let Atlanta in the phantom and it's light work. Had to leave a couple people in the past cause I know that it's light work. She a down.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO. It is July 2nd, 2:46 p.m. We're in the last hour of the market. Who's the Power Hour with me and Hobby? Hobby, how you doing?
Pretty good, brother. How you doing?
Doing great. Great. Caught a banger first thing in the morning, and then I full ported 3 pros and popped every single one of them.
Dude, you got Strat 6 so fucking bad. That shit
Strat 6 3 times. But
Yeah, and then fucking
intentional.
launched your TP.
It was intentional. I'm cool with it. Now
Yeah.
I'm trading 5 150K evals that I'm going to work towards.
Ooh.
I've accomplished $100,000 in verified payouts in 1 month off of 50Ks and off of 10 micros. Now we're going to join the big boy league and we're going to do 150Ks and jump back to minis.
Oh, big boy game.
Nice haircut. Thank you, everyone, for noticing. Yeah, dude fucking lined me up pretty good.
Let's
My
see
Brazilian
if this
brother.
thing keeps pushing. Un brasileiro, no Brazilian.
How about 20 micros? How about you don't tell me what to do?
Yeah, bitch.
What?
Can't tell me what you can't tell us what to do.
Do you even shower after a haircut? Not immediately, no, because I'm going to go to the gym after this. Yeah. Cringe?
Wait.
Cringe that I'm going to the gym? Aren't you the one that like complains about being fat, Winter Berserker?
Yeah, I'm fat.
It's cringe I'm going to the gym. Well,
let's quote Jay Hooley. Let's just stay fat.
but a haircut with no shower?
What is 200 joules? Thank you.
Shower after I get a haircut and then go to the gym and then shower again? I don't like. I'm not dirty. I just got a haircut. Most of it is just my beard. Heard a dono. Appreciate it. We got 67 joules from XX Coda, and we got 200 joules from NHO Profit. Appreciate you guys. I don't know what the fuck that is, but thank you.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you the same thing. Like, do you know what that is? Because I have no idea.
I think it's a dono. I don't know if it's a dono. Thank you for the high five. All right. So we got a couple opportunities here. Longs look really good.
Yep, the uptrend on the shorter time frame.
Longs look really good.
But those levels up top, that 504 needs to be broken. Like we're coming right back up. Yeah, man. We got 1, 2, 3 higher lows on the 1. We have 2 on the 2.
Logan, I'm thinking about getting a Secret Labs chair. Do you like yours? I love mine. I ride mine. I sit in mine all the time. But I have this chair also. I forget what chair this is.
Riding it, yo.
This is like a budget friendly. This is a budget friendly chair, and this one is a fraction of the price. And I had this for a year. It's a lot more comfortable. Ride, yeah, you can ride in this. It has fucking wheels, and I can ride it around in circles when I feel like it. Yeah, I'll be fucking homos. Corsair, that's a budget friendly. It's a budget friendly desk chair. That's fun. You guys got me all fucked up. That's a cool
We're
chair.
all homos in here.
Yeah, that's a comfortable chair. But Secret Labs is obviously a giant fucking chair. So I have the XL because I also have a giant desk.
I got it.
Just got to pay out when I reward myself. Yeah.
Let's go.
And get a fucking Secret Labs chair. Yeah. I like them. They're comfortable. And if you're into any video games or shit like that, anime, whatever, they got a bunch of different like designed ones. I just got the straight all black one.
Bling.
I see
I'm
you
hearing
like
some
your IG
jewels.
story about guys holding you down.
NHO Profit said
I think that went way over your fucking head, Ryan. You like DM'd me about it. That was the point of the joke. I'm gonna blame a language barrier here. Like that was the point of the joke, saying if one man can hold you down, another man can, and then there's a pause because everybody knows what the second part is. That was the whole point of the joke. There is no like, haha, Logan said something gay, let's make fun of him. No, that was the point of the fucking joke. It went way over your fucking head. Nah, fuck that. You call me gay all the time. Well, Sam, you said you like K-dramas, Korean dramas, and last night you said clock it, which I think is like a female. I thought it was a female term, then I found out it was an LGBT term. So, and I had to look it up on
Ooh.
ChatGPT, which said this is an LGBT term. So, I call you gay because you do things like that.
Is there gay off happening right now? You're so gay. You do this. You're so gay. What movie was that from? There was a movie that they were making fun of each other. Can't remember which movie that was.
First they take the rainbow, now they take clock it. What's next? I don't know. You see that German Du bist gut genug soon blowing up in the U.S.? Du bist gut genug.
Oh, the Scooby Dooby Doo.
Du bist
Ooby
gut genug?
Gooby Goo.
No.
Oh,
You're
man,
good enough.
I don't know. I don't even know what the words
Never
are.
heard that song.
There's
Du
that
bist gut
504
genug.
break. Ooby Gooby Goo.
Oh wait, I'm about to go long. We pop above. We pop above like 32. Going long.
I wrote that a little bit. I want to see if it comes back to retest, but these retests are deep. I already got trailed down on those too. The retests are deep, so be careful. Just be careful today. Today has been quite a wild ride day. There's the retest, but it can go further because that's just how it's been today. Oh, what a violent push up. But then push downs just as violently.
How can I stop getting trailed out? Well, you should adjust your stop losses.
Pray to the trading gods that you don't get stopped out. Not financial advice.
NHJ Profit, thank you for the party hat. Thank you for the eagle. Thank you for the red card. Thank you for the flower.
Yeah.
I don't know what any of those mean.
So much stuff that who knows what it means. All right, I got a level at 484, so that can go down there too. But right now it's just hanging out below. There's a little bit of something just triggered on the Dom. Little kick in speed just came in. Oh yeah, there goes again. So something's about to happen here. It's either going to reject this 500 really hard and pull down to the 84. There it goes right now.
What are you doing for your first
84.
July as a Floridian?
We are going to fucking Hollywood Studios, Disney. My wife said, fuck it. And I said, fuck it too. So I was like, let's go. That's the awesomeness of what we have now right now. She's like, I don't want to just sit here and then watch fireworks. And she's like, okay. I'm like, okay, what do you want to do? She's like, let's go to Disney. I'm like, you ain't gonna hear no from my mouth.
Nice.
Yeah. That's what we doing now.
Yes, Q, you're going live with FFF. Congratulations.
Hell yeah, bro. Congrats. All right. Dom is going nuts. Dom is going nuts right now. Breaking that 84. But it needs to close below or it comes right back up. Just like so. But what will it do here? Because now we're just going to get trapped between another level under 94, 95-ish. Unless it rips through that. Let's see what you're going to do here. Just trapped. Getting very bouncy. Ooby Scooby Doo. Now I got the damn song stuck in my head again. There it is. 95.25 is that level. Already ripping above it. But I want to be surprised if it just bounces a little bit here. 95.25 and 84. Yep, look at that.
Do you have videos on 8
Holy
settings?
shit.
Yes. It's called the CSO Battalion.
The CSO Battalion. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I actually caught some of that. I'm being a little bit of a I'm just having fun here. The 5 minute is still in a downtrend, so I was not expecting this. And I'm playing super duper light. Like if that broke over that 84, or I'm sorry, that 95 past 500, I would have gotten out of it. But this is not stuff you can really call out without like, hesitation on your side, guys, because this is like just retested that level. I saw the Dom going nuts. I took it. And quick $300 with 3 micros.
Matthew spends.
It was just too tight. It was a very tight squeeze.
Matthew spends on Facebook. We're trading NQ.
Very tight squeeze. The Anaconda squeeze.
Dude, I watched Mortal Kombat yesterday.
Yeah, dude. What? I know there were some cringy parts, but dude,
I know it's supposed to be, like, I know. Well, no, I'm not worried about the cringiness because Mortal Kombat has always been like quote unquote cringy. It's comical. It's like entertaining, whatever. It's always been that way. But like, it was really bad. Like if we're talking, and I'm not talking about the cringiness. I don't care about that. Look at Baraka, the Baraka.
Yeah.
How are you going to have his face just like painted on? That was terrible. Baraka's face was terrible. The CGI overall was really bad. They did decent with like the blood and gore scenes. So unimpressed. And then the plot line, the storyline. What happened to Liu Kang? He just was like, I'm going to go help Kung Lao. There's just nothing else. And Kane has always been a bad guy. Kane would never come in. And then Sub-Zero is in smoke. Why are they making Sub-Zero smoke? Like, I'm somebody who's always played Mortal Kombat, watched all the movies, and like, this shit was so bad.
Sub-Zero does become Noob Saibot. It's not smoke, it's Noob Saibot. Yeah.
Well, a noob. It was noob. Saibot. Yeah, it wasn't smoke. It was noob. But like, it was, I don't know. A lot of it was just pissing me off.
So he does become Noob Saibot. So that part was accurate.
Right.
But like, I get the Liu Kang thing was kind of dumb. I do agree with you because at the end I saw when he's like, I got to go now. I was like, what the fuck is this? I do agree with you on that.
And Johnny Cage I love fucking Kano, have his powers until the end, and he just does the one kick. But then Shao Kahn was also doing the same moves that Johnny Cage does. So I'm like, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah. There were some, dude. You know what movie I'm really pumped for? The Street Fighter movie. That shit looks like it's gonna be, except for Bison. But I think that the guy placing Bison is not gonna be the real Bison. He's gonna be like the Wizard of. It's gonna be like the Wizard of Oz thing. He's gonna be the image of what people think is Bison, but the real Bison is gonna be like
right,
Batista or some shit, like somebody buff and big. Because Bison's supposed to be buff and big, not like little scrawny ass looking dude.
The fighting movies are just, they're not, they gotta make it like old, like 80s, 90s, like the video games, like OG Mortal Kombat movies were so much better than this one.
No, dude, no.
So corny.
If you watch some of those old fight scenes, especially when the Liu Kang one, and you're seeing the guys in the back just like dancing around, dude, it's fucking hilarious. The fight scenes on those old ones.
I'd rather watch that than knowing the capabilities that we have now and being that bad. Y'all fuck with Ip Man? Ip Man's badass as fuck. Yeah.
Yeah, Hitman. Yeah.
Ip Man.
IP Man. I know. Yeah, IP Man. Yes, I remember going to the mall and seeing like these stands playing IP Man movies, and I was like, "What the fuck is that?" And then that's how I learned about IP Man at the fucking mall. We're just bouncing back and forth. We're in a range, guys. We're in power hour range. Look at this. We went back up to retest this 95 area. It did bleed through it quite a bit, though. We just rejected again. We're just trapped right now. 5 minutes trying to downtrend again. Looks like the 5 minute, this is kind of peaking. It's curling. I want to see the 5 minutes start to close below 460. I want to see this also close right here on the 2 minute. The 1 minute needs to break 442 and then 420. So this is just starting to push that 2 minutes bleeding through.
Raid is a sick movie too.
I've never seen Raid.
It's all the movies that are like, what's the what's the term? It's like they're not like they're like indie movies kind of, but then they're just like fighting movies, and most of it's just like actually just badass fighting, and it's fucking crazy. Viet action, Viet action is cool, yeah. Well, Ip Man is Chinese, but yeah, just badass.
Scooby Scooby Doo. You guys
Yeah.
got that damn song stuck in my head. All right, we just bounced off that 442. This 2 minute needs to close down here underneath 466. And
But he
then
said
you wanna see
Vigilant.
it break and go.
He's like a big movie
Which one?
guy. Vigilant. My
Vigilant?
buddy, he's a big movie guy, but he's also was in the military with me, and so like he says it was fucking terrible. And if he says it's terrible, it might just be because of the action scenes aren't accurate, because that's like how he is. But he is a big movie guy.
Let's see this retest. These retests are deep though. So here's the 66 retap. But this could retest as far as potentially 78 or 80. That's where I'm. So right now, just a little bit of a rejection, but this is still stuck in this wide ass range. We got a wide range on the 1 minute. The range is literally 514. No, this changed. This is down here now. This is about 503 and 440. There's a rejection again,
How many
but this is
contracts is 10 minis on Trade Debate? 10 minis. How many contracts is 10 micros? 10 micros. A contract is a mini or a micro.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, there's another rejection, but it's still not pulling down hard enough. I think we're still stuck in this little range. Love to see 440 break, then 420 break. This 2 minute is holding off that 66 break over here for now. It keeps rejecting 66, but I want to see it stay below 60. The more it struggles to break below 60, the more I think it's just going to continue to range. But there's another push down. Just not pulling
You can't
down
have
below
Pete
60.
in there and then also have Guile in there, because Guile's a military guy, so it's like contradicting.
Which two? Guile and.
Well, he has me in
Who?
there. The guy made like an
Oh,
animated version of me in there and you in there, but like you can't have me and
yeah, I
Guile.
got my phone.
It's one or the other.
Well, Guile could be like the army guy, and you'll be the marine guy. So like, you could mess his ass up. Be like, the Marines are the true military, bitch. Like something like that. Special forces, yeah. Like, we the number one. Oh, there goes. Oh, 2 micros again. Holy shit, dude. 2 micros is going nuts. $200. Oh, fuck. Who
Oh, he's
got this
hyped,
with
yeah.
me? Holy shit, who got this with me? Fuck yeah. Dude, 2 micros because I was thinking it was going to reach us even deeper. Oh, dumpy. There's that 3-minute setup. God, 2 micros is doing damage right now, y'all. Just 2 micros. Just caught that 66 hold. That 66 kept rejecting over and over and over again. And there went the dump. That 60.
All right, under like 80, I'm gonna rip it
Oh.
and let's go for 45 points.
Clean ass break and retest right there on the 2 minute. Break, retest, 3 bar, boom. Clean. All right, now we need to stay underneath 420. If it breaks 420, it'll go retest 440, and we have room down to 370 and then 354. If this thing can bleed, there goes. Oh my God, I got 1 runner left. 1 runner left, almost 100 points. Oh my gosh, please tell me somebody else caught this baby with me. Come on. Please tell me y'all listen to me. Saying these words. 1 runner. Up 200 in it with 4 micros. Let's go. Already made like $600 with 2 micros at a time in less than 20 minutes. That's nuts. That's nuts for today. Let's go, Cody.
Ran through a.
I want to see He-Man. I heard He-Man was good because of Skeletor. And what's the actor's name that played Skeletor? The guy that played the Joker, like the worst version of Joker in my book. But see, that's Jared Leto. But see, Reaper. See, He-Man was horrible, but I like bad movies that are bad for the right reasons. Like, I'm a weirdo. Okay, my runner got trailed out right there. Couldn't break midline of Saucebox.
No trade for
Hard
me.
jump up. Here's a retest of 20. So retest of 20, then 40 are the two areas of potential retest. The Dom is not really reacting at 20. Not the reaction I like to see, at least. But it did reject it right now. But that's not the Dom reaction, so it might try to test further. Okay, there. Whoa, swinging. She's swinging. Whoa, okay. Whoa, she did reject. Oh my God. Again, another 2 micros. I went in with 2 just in case she went in a little deeper.
I like bad movies.
I like bad movies that are bad.
I don't really know what he said. I've just gotten to the point now, like, I just let Javi say whatever and just, yep.
No, I like bad movies that are good for the right reason. I mean, I like bad movies that are bad for funny reasons.
Saying the same thing again doesn't make it better.
My brain cannot comprehend what I'm trying to say right now. What was that one movie of that guy that made a movie about himself, and then they made a parody of it? And James Franco played him. He's like, he's like, hey guys, I killed my brother. He talks all weird like that. He's like, The Room. Yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah, Borat. The Borat guy played him.
Or Borat. Well, no, Borat's just.
Borat's a whole different thing. But the actor of Borat played the guy in The Room, right?
It's not Borat.
James Franco. I can't remember, man.
James Franco was making fun of the guy who was making a movie. Yeah.
Yeah, The Room. Yeah. So that was James Franco. Okay, I was getting confused with who played who.
No, that's a bad movie on purpose. I know what you mean. It's a bad movie on purpose.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I don't think He-Man is a bad movie on purpose. I think it's just a bad movie.
From what I've read, right? Like people that watch, because I watched He-Man back in the day. I've watched everything like stupid. It's campy. Like they're making it like Street Fighter is gonna be campy too. Just by looking at the trailer, Street Fighter is gonna
be fine. Yeah, that's campy. Fine. That's what I'm saying. That's what I was saying about Mortal Kombat. I was okay if Mortal Kombat was gonna be corny and cheesy. Where I was upset was there was no plot, storyline, the CGI, the fucking like everything they did was so bad. They could have made it so good. The one before that I think was actually better. The Mortal Kombat that came out in 2017.
Yeah.
Way better.
That one was better. I agree with you there. That one was definitely better. But that one had a more kind of
more serious,
rounded story. Yeah.
Right.
This one, you're in the netherworld, spirits and shit. They're bringing back things from the dead.
Team America: World Police is a stupid, funny movie. I don't think it's stupid at all.
Oh yeah,
I think
that was the greatest movie.
I think that's a fucking great movie.
That is a great fucking movie. America, fuck yeah! I was like, come on, man.
What is he saying?
Of, like,
I think he's saying, "Kiss me." Bro, I watched that movie. It was so awkward because I watched that movie with my dad, and it came out when I was like, 11, 12, and I watched it with my dad, and then there's just that like 20-minute just two dolls fucking doing every position possible. And I'm just with my dad. It was so awkward. And I was like, weird.
What's this?
Yeah.
Hero. Oh my God. There's so many classics in that movie. What was the one movie that they did that made fun of the Korean president guy? And it was the Asian actor that's been in like a lot of Marvel movies.
The Interview. Yeah, that was
Interview. Good. That one, dude. That one was good. That one was so freaking good.
Well, you can't. Any James Franco or Seth Rogen movie is meant to be dumb, but super funny. Like that's the whole point of it. Yeah.
And there's the one where like
it's like Will Ferrell movies.
In the end, and you see Satan's big ass dong at the end too. I was not ready for that. I was not ready for that. They hate us cause they hate us cause they ain't us. Wait, they hate us cause we're anus? No, because they ain't us. Like we anus. I love that part. And most of Adam Sandler movies are like that too. Like they're super campy and cheesy. What was that? The ones with the dads, the grown-ups, super cheesy. The one where he's in Halloween. What's that shit called? Huey
Movie
Dewey
Halloween. That one's
something.
really bad. Movie Halloween's
Yeah,
really
like
bad.
it's like
That one's bad. That's one about Adam Sandler's worst.
super
movies.
cheesy shit. Yeah, like super Hubie that. Like super cheesy shit. But then the Zohan. The Zohan's super cringy and cheesy, but it's so fucking good at the
I think
same time.
Zohan's better than Hoobie.
Yeah, oh yeah, miles better.
Tropic Thunder, American classic, funniest movie of all time.
That is
Every time you watch it, it gets funnier. I fucking watched it recently. I couldn't get 3 minutes into it before dying laughing.
Dude,
And I watched
you
it with the
just
chick
discovered?
before, and she just sat there and didn't find it funny. And I was like, "Fuck
He's
you!
like, get
you
out of
suck."
here.
Like, get the fuck out of my house! You suck. This shit's hilarious.
Have you watched the version where Robert Downey, the commentary edition, where Robert Downey is commentating it in the character's voice, and then he doesn't cut character until the very end, just like he says in the movie. I don't cut character till the DVD commentary's over or some shit. And he actually does that in the commentary. So they do it. Dude, you gotta watch it. You gotta rewatch it with the commentary. It is so. It's like watching the movie with Robert Downey next to you. Is the funniest fucking thing. You have to find it and watch it.
I would pay $100. I would pay $500 for a movie ticket for them to do Tropic Thunder 2.
Oh yeah, I would do the exact same.
And I know I'd be concerned, obviously, that they would fuck it up. But I think Tropic Thunder is one of the only movies where they could do a second one and it would still be fucking hilarious. Robert Downey Jr. has to do blackface, and then what's his name has to pretend to be retarded, and everybody has to just be okay with it.
I think this is the only movie, right? People are saying it would be canceled nowadays. I think this would be the only movie that would get that pass.
What was funny is, that nobody was mad at Robert Downey Jr. They were mad at what's his name?
Ben Stiller. Ben Stiller for doing
He's trying to be retarded. They're like, that's too far.
Good old days.
They didn't care about blackface. They were like, Ben Stiller, dude, that's not cool. That's where they drew the line.
He went full retard. They weren't cool with that. They were like, no, that's not cool, bro. That's why he said, never go full retard. Dude, that was such a classic.
What's your favorite military-themed movie?
Do you have one? Because most, I think, are exaggerated as hell, right?
Full Metal Jacket's a good one. Black Hawk Down's a good one. We Were Soldiers. Saving Private Ryan. Fury is really good. Jarhead, I didn't think it was that. Heartbreak Ridge, I think is bullshit. Lone Brothers, Lone Soldier.
Saving Private Ryan.
Not Heartbreak. I'm thinking Hacksaw Ridge. I forgot which one. Which is the one where he goes and saves a fucking shit ton of people? I'm like, that's just fucking retarded. That gay as fuck.
Just goes and saves a shit ton of people.
Sniper. We Were Soldiers. Braveheart technically is a fucking war movie. Braveheart's badass as fuck. That's a war movie. One with the dude disabling bombs. Hurt Locker. Hurt Locker's also fucking so inaccurate. Gladiator. Gladiator's a fucking war movie. Badass. Patriot. Badass.
Oh yeah, Gladiator. I love Gladiator.
13 Hours.
Classic.
Covenant. I really like the Covenant. I like the Covenant a lot. The Covenant I liked a lot because they made Bagram look exactly how it is in the movie. I remember when it came out and I was like, holy fuck, they made our airfield look identical. John Wick.
Okay, oh really?
John Wick isn't a military movie. That's just an action.
Yeah. John Wick is
Independence Day.
I love that movie because that was the first movie we went to watch in a movie theater. Independence Day, way back in DC. Yeah, in DC, there's a theater called.
And then they made a second one, and it was so bad.
I didn't see the second one. I did not see the second one.
Don't even waste your time. It's so.
Okay, does it ruin it? Dude, that first one. Oh, dude, when the alien ships come in, I remember like our hearts, like me and my brothers were like, oh shit, we were kind of scared. It was like, it was crazy. That's where I kind of was like fell in love with aliens and shit.
Tomorrow, get the fuck out of here. Small Soldiers, yeah. Small Soldiers is a good movie. Are you guys Marvel fans? I was named after Wolverine. No joke.
Anybody see the new Toy Story yet? I haven't seen it yet. I'm dying to watch it. I'm a
Mate
kid in
Trades,
heart.
you were an extra on
Toy
Independence
Story.
Day? Were you actually?
Oh shit, for real?
Well,
Oh, damn.
well, I mean, I guess there's a lot of people in it, but I prefer.
Yeah.
I believe it. That'd be a weird thing to lie about. I believe
Were
it.
you one of those guys on top of the roof? Please take us. Take
My
us. I'd be
dad
one of
said
those
Saving
dumbasses
Private
up there.
Ryan was just like the real thing, brought back his PTSD. How old is your dad?
I was the tiny alien. All right, downtrend looks like it's going to continue. If we get this break, retest 404. The retest 404. Man, this needs to break this 5-minute level down here. I'm not fully sold on it yet. Oh God, did I just mess up?
What is the most realistic war movie?
The most realistic war movie.
I mean, I couldn't do an old movie, so I'd have to think now. Outpost based on true stuff. Yeah, Outpost is based on a true. American Sniper is not accurate. Outpost is true. Covenant is a good one. 13 Hours, very good. Restrepo, yeah. Full Metal Jacket. I had a guy in my platoon in boot camp literally go private pile. He started going fucking nuts, started talking to himself and acting like a psychopath. And so right before we went to the gun range, they were fucking questioning him and interrogating him. They're like, we're kicking him out. Like, we're not giving this guy a rifle. Not giving this guy a rifle.
You're like, yeah, no, I think we're safe without him. We can handle this.
What was his name? I'm trying to remember what his name was. Fuck, that was 15 years ago.
Shit. Oh shit, she's going. I said, man. All right, she's actually moving right now. It's not on trail, is it? Yep, trailing stop. All right, well, I'll manually trail it.
The guys are riding horses. That's based on a true story on the initial invasion in Afghanistan. I forgot what movie that is.
Whoa. Okay. Dun-dun-dun.
I found out in boot camp like 4 or 5 years ago they were allowed to have phones. I was like, what the fuck? 12 strong, that's what it was.
That was a nice ride. 284. 5-minute needs to break this 76 if we're going to get a potential lower low here. So until that happens, it could just range again. I mean, it's been moving pretty great so far.
I got no trade
Battlefield.
yet.
Phone in boot camp. Don't believe it. What? Phones in boot camp. Horse Soldier whiskey is made by those dudes that were in 12 strong. Horse Soldier whiskey. I never heard of that one. Another bluey getting formed here. We're at midline of Saucy Shaw Schwalks. Just hanging out down here right now. I can't believe none of you pussies mentioned Black Hawk Down. Yeah, it was mentioned a few times, I think.
We talked about it like multiple times.
Last of the Mohicans. I remember that one. Lord of the Rings. Yeah.
Last movie, dude, Lord of the Rings. Armies, that was badass.
That was badass.
I think Lord of the Rings is better than Star Wars. I said it.
The thing with Lord of the Rings, it's not oversaturated.
Let me retract here. Most of the movies. There's a few Star Wars movies that are badass, but most Star Wars movies suck compared to the Lord of the Rings trilogy. Compared to the Lord of the Rings trilogy, most of the Star Wars movies suck. Disney fucked up Star Wars. Disney destroyed Star Wars.
They oversaturated the hell out of it. Yep. Big time. I agree with you there.
Disney destroys everything it touches. Everything it touches, Disney destroys.
Yeah, the trilogy they did with the lady, they fucked that shit up so bad. It had so much promise, and then they did Luke dirty, like Leia and Han. I was just like, what the fuck?
Immediately unfollowing.
I like Ahsoka. Ahsoka's good. The animated series were actually pretty good. The animated series I actually got more into than the movies.
Yeah.
Mandalorian's good, yeah.
Mandalorian was good at first, but then if you like, no, it just became inaccurate. Mandalorian wasn't terrible. It was entertaining. I stopped watching it after a while.
The movie was like a filler episode. It was still
But
good. It was still
I'll tell you
okay.
where Lord of the Rings got fucked up on Amazon. The show, terrible. Fucking terrible. I'm telling you, every time they try and overdo it, like Hobby said, they start to saturate. They make it so bad. The Hobbit was good. Then they made the show on fucking Amazon. It was so bad. And then fucking same thing with Star Wars. It's just they overdid it. House of Dragon isn't terrible. I actually don't think House of Dragon is terrible.
If you had to pick who's the best Marvel or DC or X-Men, like the best character?
Well, Marvel and X-Men are the same, and I'm going to be biased and say Wolverine.
My favorite character, man, I'm mixed between Deadpool and Spider-Man. Those would be like, oh man, I have to toss a coin for those two. Like them two together was like the best thing ever. Like when the comics, when them two are bickering at each other, even in the game, oh dude, it's like the best moments ever.
Technically, if we're talking about like actual skill and power, the strongest of anybody is Professor X's son. What is his name?
Oh,
Somebody's gonna get it in here. What is his name? But he can take anybody's power ever. Legion. I'm going short here. He can take anybody's power ever, but he's also he's a psychopath, and he can't control he takes like their mind and their emotion and everything. And so the problem is that like he has no control over anything.
I want to see if this holds under 77. But yeah, this is looking good for a continuation short if this can hold under 77 on this 5-minute candle closure.
I'm gonna try and trim at like the 35.
Go. 2 minute just slightly broke the 62 right here. So we got a level at 61. We need to break 54.46. But this 5-minute for me needs to stay under that 77.
Accounts they're not copying correctly. It's very strange.
The update. There's that little pull up. Looks like, oh, I don't know. Maybe that's it. If you can't break that 1 minute level, that's 66. We're definitely not going to get to 77. Yeah, there's that reaction I like. Yeah, let's see if this starts to drop here on this 5-minute candle closure.
Accounts are acting very strange.
Or if we get a retest before it does.
I'm going for it still. I'm
All
going
right,
for 35. Going for 35. There we go.
There it goes. Yep. Come on, keep going. Ooh, bouncing back around. Come on, stay below. We're stuck between these beta levels right now. We got 66, 54, 46. Well, love it for it to stay continuously under 77, obviously, but let's see if we break all these and make a lower low on the 5 would be beautiful. She's just bouncing around these levels right now. There's Dom speeding up right at that 63.
Wolverine game looks super sick. The new one, it looks very sick.
I remember. Oh, there it goes. I remember there's this old Wolverine game on Super Nintendo I used to play, where he would like It was like a kind of like a Mario style um, platform. It was so much fun. We never beat it. Me and my brothers used to be addicted to that shit. And Diablo 2 on PlayStation. We played that for
Hey,
hours.
Diablo on PlayStation.
Yeah, we had Diablo on PlayStation 2.
Bro, I have the new Diablo. I play on PC. I haven't played in a while, but yeah.
That was ancient. One of us. We used to blame one of our brothers.
Oh,
There's that
I'm out of that
retest of
trade.
77. Yeah, there's that retest of 77.
Out of
One
that
of
trade.
us misplaced that game. We blamed one of our brothers because he used to like he used to smoke weed and shit. He still does. I'm saying he used to. He still does. Um, oh yeah, that's it. That's it right there, Carlos. That's it. That's the one. Um, we blamed him. We said that he sold it. Oh damn, that ripped right through the retest zone. We blamed him because we said he sold it for weed money, and like 2 weeks later, he had this episode where he was crying in the living room on the couch, and then he was telling us to tell some girlfriend of his that if I die, tell her I love her. If I die, he was like on the couch, like, if I die, I think her name was Jennifer. Tell Jennifer I love her, like straight up. We were making fun of him. Then it's, oh, good times. And he denies it hardcore. All right, let's see. Can it break back down below here? That was that retest area I was kind of eyeballing, but the fact that it's hanging out above it now, I'm kind of trying to see where else it can go. Like we have that 84. We have a level at 84 on the 15-minute, but I'm not sold on 15-minute levels. Yeah, this thing is just pushing. That 54 level held. Where else can it go? This can go up all the way back to 452. That is super steep. I don't see anything below that. Oh my gosh, is this thing actually going to go to 452?
It's ripping now.
Yeah. That would be that next this will be the next retest area. Holy shit. I mean, she wants it. She's gonna go get it. I mean, shit. Again, I'm gonna hold her back. That was a violent ripper. I was like, I didn't think she was gonna get all the way up there, but she's oh my god, she's actually gonna go all the way up there. Holy shit.
Get her frozen.
Wow, no way she actually pushing that. That I didn't think it was gonna get all the way up there just because that was so far away. And she just said, you know what? Fuck it.
There we go.
Damn. All right, this would be where it would need to pull itself back down unless we're switching on the 5-minute. This ends up being well, we need to break that level, but holy crap, there's that rejection. Look at that. That hit, what did it hit? 46. It hit 46. So until that breaks 52 on the 5, we'll kind of stay trapped again, potentially. Setting up, though. She's getting very spiky. Very spiky. If this is the 5-minute switch, then it will potentially try to break that 52. If this is going to be the 5-minute, also making, yeah, it's uptrend switch. Holy shit. It's going to go or no? There's a little bit of a pullback. That's a strong pullback. That 5-minute needs to close above that. Wow.
It's the ATR. It's 25. So it's a little high right now.
Still up there. It's still up there. Yeah. All right. There's a rejection off 52 for 20 points as well. Seeing if this 5-minute can hold above 420. Holy shit. This is getting interesting. This is getting very interesting right here. I'm trying to read what the Dom is kind of telling me around this 420 area if it gets down there. There it is. Ooh, okay. She's getting violent down there. So she did, she did get violent in the 420s. But the more it kind of tests it, if it gets in deeper and deeper, it's not going to look good. We're going to come back down and test it again or not? Whoa. Whoa. Yep. Whoa. Yeah. That 52, though, that 5-minute needs to break that 52.50. So for now, we're going to be trapped around 420 and 452 until one side decides to give.
How long did it take you to master the orb method? You gotta understand, orb is a blank statement. Like, it's a blanket statement. Like, orb in general is the open range break. We're talking about Max's orb setup. Hobby and I were students of his, so we learned it pretty quick because he taught us. And then we both have also our own orb strategies on top of that.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just going to say, we built our own orbs and our own orb strategies based on that too. Yeah, dude, I got in with 2 micros. Again, 2 micros doing some work right now. And I got in late as fuck because that reaction was so fast. 420. Just letting 2 micros do damage. That's it. Next will be 495. If this thing holds up here, 495 all the way back up. If that 52 can break and hold. Still have a whole minute left for that candle. Right back down. Nice bounce off of that 52 for now. Not nice. It didn't bounce that strong, but you'd want to see that area start to hold and then give that almighty push. If it bleeds right through it, then it ain't ready. SPX just gave us a golden MVG too, so that might be the push. That might be the push coming in. Let's see.
What is the best pizza
Oh,
place?
yeah.
Well, I'm from New Jersey, New York, so the best pizza's over there.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree with him. I agree with him on that. I lived in upstate New York for a year, and there was this place up there in Oswego, New York, called I Love New York Pizza. By far the best pizza I've ever had anywhere. Hands down. Have not had a pizza that good since that place. And I miss it. I remember 2 years after I moved back to Maryland, and that was where the Maple Story came from, is from Oswego, New York. When I left after the Maple Story thing, right, because I left and I drove back to Maryland, I drove all the way back up to Oswego, 9 hours, to grab a couple pies to bring back for my friends to try. Because it was that worth it. 9 hours. So fucking good.
Yeah. Miss it.
Yeah. Best Philly cheesesteak, D'Alessandro's. And fuck the other places. Fuck Duke's. Fuck the other place. D'Alessandro's, hands down, best Philly cheesesteak in Philadelphia. We've tried all of them. D'Alessandro's is the best. We're little piggies. I mean, come on, look at me. I'm a little pig. I'm a big piggy. Tried it all. I've had Chubby's. Not as good as D'Alessandro. There's something about D'Alessandro's. All right.
catch anything? No.
Coming back down to retest. Immediately came back down to retest after that close. Needs to hold and continue its little push. If not, we're still ranging. Big ass range still in the 5. We need to see that push all the way back up to 495, then 503. If it can manage to break that 503, then the 30s, 530s could be in play. But for now,
Luigi's in Brooklyn is good.
pulling back down. All right, below 52. So where are we going to go here? Where are we going to retest? Man, this could come back down all the way to 384 at this point. Violent. 5 minute couldn't make a newer high, but doesn't mean they still can't do it. But Dom is not giving me any reactions right now. This thing can keep
What
pushing.
is a
to find
golden
something.
NVG? So in Call of Duty, when you unlock special night vision goggles, right, you can get different skins. So for the NVGs, the night vision goggles, you can get the gold version of it.
SPX. I should have looked at SPX. Now that he mentioned it, I should have looked at SPX. SPX just filled that golden MVG and bounced. So that was the test area right there. That's what IQ just reacted to. Yep, that was it. And I missed it. I fucking missed it. I was not paying attention to SPX. My bad. Oh well. SPX just filled that golden MVG and bounced right off of it. That was the area. I was not looking at SPX. But thanks for the question, because then I got to look at it and be like, that's where we were going. So 5 minutes, still good. I mean, it went down to retest that level. It's going to create at 430. So there's going to be a level creation right here. Let's see if it holds above. You'll see this line up here, right here at about 430. And that's going to be the 5 minute level creation. Potential little choppy chop area here on the 1 minute as well. Put this one down here. Still has about 1 minute left. 1 minute left to close.
What is an NVG? Night vision goggles. We use them in the military.
Yep.
You can see an NVG, a November Victor Golf, is night vision goggles. MVG is the max value gap, which is based off of no levels from an indicator that he has. NVG, MVG.
I didn't see the NVG. I didn't see the comment was, what is the golden NVG?
So I was scrolling. I'm saying NVG. And I was like, well, if it's an NVG, it's night vision goggles, so we'll use in the military.
Yeah. MVG and NVG is completely different. Do my M's sound like N's? They probably do.
I see in your videos you usually do 10 micros with a 60 tick stop loss, 15 points, but your TP is left open. Is there a reason for that? Well, that's completely incorrect.
Oh, there's
I don't have like, how do I word this? 15 points. I could do 15 points sometimes, but I have like I have a couple different stop losses, and then I have a couple different TPs based off of market conditions and ATM. My ATM settings.
Immediately coming down to test it. Look at that.
I have a hard stuck TPs and shit though. Like it's not. I don't have open ended TP. I have run out forever.
Immediately came down to test that level and bounced hard. 439 is where it hit, but needs to hold well above that 32 area would be best. But again, with the ATR we've had, would not be surprised if we ended up tapping it. But right now, that's a nice bounce. We still need to see.
Is that what the Jews use with our tax paper money? No, because they're not. They're more pacifistic, and they wouldn't waste their money on.
Look at this. For everyone interested in the MVGs, look at this. All right. Look at the golden MVG follow throughs here. Look at this. Right. This is from 11:30 on Monday. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Look at this, right? Look where we bounced today. Okay. I hope MVG traders saw this, especially if you have it on SPX. Look where we bounced. Look where SPX bounced. Look how close it was. Strong areas.
MVG
Hard
trading
bounce.
was okay because our MVG sucked, especially if you're in the Marine Corps. Our MVGs were ass. Couldn't see a fucking thing. I just saw green. I just saw fucking green. I don't know what the fuck I'm shooting at.
But you don't know if they're like friendly or not. They're just green. You see some green
Fucking
thing walking around, like, oh,
everything's fucking green.
gotta shoot the green things. All right.
I was like, well, here's what
Alright.
we're gonna do. Fucking pull up the fucking 240, put a bunch of tracer rounds, fucking shoot at what you think is shooting at us. Got it. Now we know where the enemy is. Shoot up a fucking flare. All right, I see them over there. Fuck these NVGs. Fucking call for fire. Just drop a JDAM over there. That'll work. I don't know where they are. Fucking call fire support. We're good. Fucking unload.
All right, there's the 32 test. I'm not liking the Dom not reacting down here. Doesn't mean it won't, but not a fan when I see the Dom kind of just chilling. There's a little bit of a bounce already. Now the Dom's speeding up, but I wanted to speed up down there, not up here.
Radio. Yeah, fucking our radio's fucking nothing worse than military comms.
Okay. Well, I thought this wasn't going to work. Okay, well, I mean, I guess it played out. I only went again. I'm doing 2 micros at a time because I'm just testing shit. Wasn't expecting it to bounce that hard with the reaction that I saw from the Dom, but I took it. Why not? Just a quick scout for now. I test shit. So
Night drives trying to follow behind the truck in front of me and can only see a spot.
I'm showing this one closer. There's a golden MVG that just formed on the top side, unless that thing fills. So unless this MVG fills and then you see a closure above it. Okay, let's see. Let's watch. Okay,
Caitlin, that's such a funny. It's such a selling point. They're like military grade, and I'm like, oh, it's military grade, so it fucking sucks. Like anytime somebody's like, this is the military grade, this, I'm like, got it. So this shit sucks. But the fucking civilians are like, oh, badass. I'm like, fuck no, dude.
I had a Sherry, whoever Sherry is, I guess, had a dream about me saying if this holds. I had the whole last night dreams of your voice telling me this needs to hold. If this holds, it's gonna go.
You did night drives.
Okay,
night drives. We had to do blackout night drives, especially because I was in fucking a mechanized recon unit. I was like, fucking, we were on like a street. I was like, I'm fucking hitting something, and then I'm gonna fucking skyline us. This shit sucked. Hated it. I got so happy when I got promoted to a gunner and I didn't have to fucking do stupid shit because I was like, I'm gonna fucking hit somebody.
Oh my god! Did anybody take that 32 test with me? You're up 35 points right now. I trailed closer when I saw that golden MVG, and I did get trailed out at about 25 points, but this thing is still ripping. That 32 retest was clean for 40 points now. You did? Very nice. It's just chopping around, so it's like any retest area. Right now we're at 57. This needs to continue to break all these purples. If the uptrend is going to continue, right? We need to see the blues hold, the purples break. So far, that's what we were seeing on the 1 minute. The blues are holding, the purples kind of breaking along the way up. But right now we're in a range spot. Trying to see if this 5 minute is truly flipping. As long as that 32 holds.
1 minute is above 32. Would you consider going on the 30-second chart with ATR's 25? That's a good question. It's something that I've thought about, but the problem is, it's not a bad idea. I personally don't use it much, but going on the 30-second time frame, if ATR is too high, is something that some people like to do. Just like if it's too low, we increase. Relatively, it's not a bad idea. I personally don't do it though. It just doesn't seem concrete enough for me to work. So usually I just don't trade. I'll just be like, I'm not trading.
Rip it in the long through since 366. Yeah, I mean, that's a nice long down here. That was a nice push off that level. Pushed up. I wrote some of that up. And then I've been scalping all of this. So you got 100 points. I've collected about 200 points in total so far.
I haven't got shit.
I've collected slightly over 200 points so far.
I haven't got shit.
Oh shit, MOC is in 3 minutes. Fuck. Okay. Well, we're hovering at 457. 457 is a 1 minute level. We've been rejecting 1, 2, 3, 4 times right now. 32 is a 5 minute level. So right now, I'm going to get rid of some of these. So right now, the levels I'm looking at 457, 495, all the way down. We have 346. The 5 minute level at 430. Be cautious of that as well. The 5 minute levels have been getting respected the last couple MOCs. So I'm not going to sleep on it this time because last time it respected on Monday. I think it was Monday or Tuesday. It respected a 5 minute level, which it normally doesn't do on MOC. MOC normally respects the 1 minutes, but it's been respecting the 5 minutes pretty solid. You got to repay. You know what? You're up 100 points, brother. I applaud you. Doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter. As long as you're green, it doesn't matter, brother. You green. That's all that matters. Just don't let it turn red. Because we're just bouncing around these two. Look, 430 and 457. This is your chop zone right now. MOC is in about 2 minutes. It's pretty for the ATR we're at right now. This is a pretty tight squeeze.
Do you think my
And
cleaning
with
ladies
ATR,
come to my house and they just see guns everywhere? I was thinking about that today. I wonder what they think.
you're probably a crack dealer.
Well, they see I was on the
Yeah.
morning show and I did some stuff with my students this morning. But I'm curious what they think because they walk around there cleaning everywhere, and I just have weapons everywhere, like everywhere.
No, my wife's family think they think I'm a drug lord, like straight up in Paraguay. They think I'm some American drug lord, and I'm like, I just be clicking buttons. So that's where the Hispanic mindset's always going to go to the most potential evilest thing. They're going to think you're in some sort of criminal organization and selling crack. Literally. All right, we got 1 minute left. We're just bouncing back and forth, guys. 457, 432. I almost want to wait for a reaction here. We might, again, when we have this kind of movement for power hour, MOC tends to be a dud. You're going to see a retest and a rejection.
Stick with it. There's a difference. Yes, I know guns are legal, but there's a difference between a normal person and the standard amount of guns they have, and then the amount of guns that like myself or Max or Lama have, like everywhere. Like it look like my shit. It's getting crazy.
Less than a minute. We're testing that 430 again. We're testing that 430 again. I'm kind of
You're
looking at
Nazi.
430 to potentially hold.
All right. Okay.
I'm keeping a tight stop on it just because, again, you could get a little pull up and then a really violent pull down because we only have room to go to 57.
Radiant.
So here we go.
Mechanic
3,
prime
2,
radiant.
1.
The first thing that
Which
popped
way
up.
will you go? It's already pushing up. There's already 15 points, so I'm trailing here because I'm not giving much of this back. I'm not giving much of this back. All right, there's your potential little already pushing up. There's already 20 points. There we go. Boom! Oh yeah, guys! Hell yeah! Let's go! Please tell me y'all got this shit. 2 micros, $300. $300 fucking dollars on 2 micros. That's it. Let's fucking go. Another one. Let's go. Bang, bang, bang. That 5 minute, the 5 minute level right now on MOC. The 5 minute level. It was holding 30. That was it. That was it. Fucking beautiful. Boom. Straight to the sky. 2 micros, $312. God damn. We got one runner running right now. That was an explosive. How many points was that? 100? Almost 200 points. 200 point MOC in the books. Let's go. Please tell me y'all caught that easy ass play.
That's crazy.
Fucking go.
Good shit.
My last runner is still running. I don't give a fuck where it takes me out. Fucking explosive play right there. Explosive. clean, zero pullback. That's what we want to see. Oh, baby. Oh.
75-point
Woo!
MOC is
Zero pullback. They just took off to the sky from that 430. Easy play. God. What a dub. What a dub. Let's go, guys.
That was good shit.
Enjoy your short day tomorrow. If you guys are green after today, stay green. I thought it was going to be a dud. It didn't. It took off. Whatever it gave me, it gave me. I trailed it close. It did not pull back at all. I trailed it close, and it's still skyrocketed for 200 points. Enjoy your fucking 4th of July after that, guys. That's the fireworks show. I didn't think it was going to explode like that. I just played what I saw, the 430 holding, and I thought it was going to be a dud. Just goes to show you, you never know. You just never know. MLC does what
That's
it
work.
does. Let's fucking
Impressive
go,
work.
Tim. 200 joules. Thank you for that, whatever that means. I know we thought it was going to be dead. I love it. I love when we get those kind of surprises. Let's go, everybody. Got 50 points with that chase. Let's go. Made a quick 260 off of that. Little MOC profit roll call. Come on, do a little profit roll call, everybody. Yeah, Zach just said it. Roll call. Like, even if you caught some L's after that, man, that's a 200-point explosion. My runner is still running. It hasn't got trailed out yet.
I have resistance at 530, but if it pops above that, then I will go long. But if it doesn't, then no trades.
All that green, guys. Very nice. Very nice. What does MOC mean? Market on close. Market on close. That is the 3:50 p.m. Eastern time candle that we just played right there. The last couple days have been some rejections. Today was a beautiful pushback up. Just holding on the level, and my runner is about to get trailed out. I don't care though. Oh, it
This is
survived.
a really strong level. If it pops above this, it could rip.
It survived. Yeah, this is that 502 earlier that I was looking at.
This level has been tested so many times. If we pop above this level, it's gonna rip. I'll fucking full board
Ooh,
it.
baby. Ooh. Do you get all those levels with quantum? Yes, Hans. The 5-minute, the 1-minute levels, those are quantum. Oh man, my runner survived. My runner survived. Up almost 200 bucks. Ooh, Dom's getting spiky. Ooh.
This is the area. This is the area. Getting ready to fucking full port it. Yep.
Oh, there it goes. There's 200 points officially.
Full
Officially
port it.
200 points right there. I couldn't catch that screenshot.
Whoa! What a
I got
fucking.
trailed out right there.
What the fuck just happened?
I got trailed out on that pullback, but there it goes right back up.
It's gonna rip still.
I couldn't
Then
catch the
fold.
200 tap, but that was the closest I could get to it. 200 points officially
Fucking pull
on
down
that.
20 points, and it's gonna keep ripping. It's just gonna keep ripping.
Boom.
Son of a bitch. All right, well, that's it for me.
That was. It's just violent reactions.
Logan, were you on the premieres? Yes. But now I have a cash account with them. I'm live.
Coach comes on to Asia. Oh wait, no. Am I doing Asia tonight? Hold on. I think it might be me tonight, guys. Hold on, I have to double check. Because I forget. Because I think Coach is out, right? Is that correct?
I don't know.
So you guys might see me tonight. Thursday, July 2nd. Yep. You guys are gonna see me tonight again. It's me tonight. So fuck yeah. It's gonna be interesting. Hopefully we're not gonna get some choppy mess tonight. Hopefully we get some a beautiful sauce box play. Oh, there she goes, bro. There she goes.
Yep.
The 3-bar
Still has
action.
much room. I'm done trading. Tons of room up.
Today's action-packed day for me.
All right, let's give away some shit. I got to get ready.
Yep.
I got a 4-day weekend, so you guys will not see me tomorrow or Monday. Getting the fuck out of here. So
Let's go. All right.
give away some shit. Also, tomorrow, I think it starts tomorrow. It's going to be 50% off on my course to everybody.
Ooh. Lock in, guys. Lock in. Lock in.
Yeah.
All right. 221. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
50.
50%.
So when is the discount? I don't know.
Two, one. All right. I got the you got MOT tag. Yep. Okay. I got the first winner on Discord. I kind of want to take a little break before I come up again.
Why did you
Erica
take the PSP trade?
Jocelyn.
I logged out. I'm not trading anymore. The longs were good. Told you the longs were good, but I stopped trading.
All right, Erica, come say hi real quick. Damn, this thing exploded. Still going. 230 points from the MOC read. Still going.
So when is the discount available? I don't know. At least or the weekend. At least 3-4 days. It's a 4th of July for the holiday.
10 seconds. Yep. 4th of July
start
sale.
tomorrow. YouTube, word of the day is
10, 9, 4,
MOC.
1.
I'll be called
All
on
right,
hanger.
next.
MOC.
MOC. All right.
MOC.
All right. On to the next. Erica does not want anything free. 133 is next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And MOT tag. Nope. You don't have the MOT tag. Guys, get the MOT tag to qualify. Yeah, still ripping. So 30 was here. 1, 2, 50. MOT tag. Yes, you do. Rick.
How do we claim the discount? There's going to be a code that's going to be a discount code that's going to be dropped tomorrow. It's going to be announced everywhere, social media pages, everything. TP1 hit. There you go, Striker. Yeah, this PHP long is absolutely ripping.
Rick, come on up. Get your free indicator. Gotta come on
Andrew Crawford. 1642. Congratulations. You want access to any indicator free for an entire week.
Come on up. Come on up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 1, 2. Does nobody want to win anything? Okay, no one's still coming up. In God I trust. Okay, you're next. In God I trust. I'm just gonna start low. Just inviting until someone comes up and get something. Gotta hurry
Next
up.
word on the
Yep,
YouTube is going to be independence.
Yay! Yay! And
Logan,
God, I
level.
trust.
Combining Javi and Logan Strat
That
is
level was
making me
too close. Why
dangerous.
was it a valid PHP trade? I don't know. I'm not looking at the charts anymore. I just see hobbies.
Wait,
Tripping.
why does she look like the lady from The Boys, the smart lady? What was her name? Like straight up, look, the glasses, right? Do y'all see it? Like straight up looks like that smart sage.
Bex, I made
He straight up looks like
$100,000
Sage.
last month. I don't give a fuck how many times I get stopped out.
He left us.
I'll get stopped out 1,000 times and I'll still be the most profitable person I know. So thanks for the random comment, Bex. You're a faggot.
Hey, in God I trust. Open up a support ticket, girl. You got it. Don't worry. You got it. Open up a support ticket.
All right. Cool. Did we get the Independence
Yeah.
one?
Yep.
Independence is Ramis Flawed. Congratulations. I feel like that dude just won. Congratulations. Open up a sport ticket. You get access to any indicator free for an entire week. All right. Great day. Thursday attitude, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Late, everybody. Javi, you got anything for them?
Guys, enjoy your week. If you're done, you're done. Tonight I'll be on again, Power Hour for a happy hour. In place of coach. Make sure you guys tune in for that. It'll be interesting. We'll see what the volume looks like. Hopefully, we get something nice. Short week, short day tomorrow, so it's gonna be interesting. Volume might be a little low, but we'll see. We'll have some fun. Guys, check out my YouTube. Check out Logan's YouTube, X, TikTok, Instagram. Do all that fun stuff. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Make sure you guys don't miss any of our shows when we come on. Check out mexoptionstrading.com. Some 4th of July sales coming up for you guys. Obviously, you know, the course mine is very new, so it's not going to be included with the sale. But still, you know, we got that coming out Monday. Monday we start live. July 6th is literally in 4 days. 8 p.m. Eastern time is when we start live sessions. You'll see me, Max, Logan, and Lama also doing some guest classes. So make sure you guys don't miss out on that. Other than that, everybody, make sure you tip the staff, show your love. I'll see you guys in a couple hours. So peace out, everyone.
Later.